Ya kpọtụba ya kpọtụba ya kpọtụba ya na-akpọtụ ya na-akpọtụ all the things m kwuru ache na m na-eme nkwugheri ọkwa ha na-eme asị m ya kpọtụba ọ na-adị ona na-enye Chukwu okene ọ na-adị ona na-enye Chukwu otito ọ na-adị ona na-ebuli aha ya elu asị m ya kpọtụba everywhere ya na-akpọtụ nwa m enye ya kpọtụba So at last, the DOS say that they will release the evidence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu atrocity, that he ordered people to buy, that he was ordering people to buy. The same people that are telling you, oh, they were ordering innocent Biafrans to buy was the same idiots who was caught on camera say on their radio saying that if anyone if they bring phone and said Mazi Simon Ekpa, speak to Mazi Simon Ekpa, he's calling you, that they should that the person should be beheaded alive. What evil? Just ordinary phone call Madazara as a bayishi. The person, the people, the idiots who sanctioned this are now the ones telling you Mazi Nnamdi Kanu atrocity. In case if you don't know, their main problem ab initio was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not Mazi Simon Ekpa. Because I ask you people many questions. All the more now, exposition take remaining years trying to let you people know. All the more now on a play ni hunu. That the people who send him is the criminals in DOS, that they are using him to test your brains, that they will soon join. Or they confirm, oh, you're fake. Anything that I tell you, go and write it down, it will happen. The same way in Jagono, everything analyze. Oh, I don't have to wait for spirituality. Everything analyze. Is the same thing, because for the spirit to tell me that they are not leading us to Biafra. Okay, Simon Ekpa face just what's the mistake? Had it been that I know when the spirit told me these very two people have nowhere to lead us, I would have told the Biafra people, do not follow the two people. But why is it do not follow the two people? I say, hey, oh, Nigerian government, yes, if you like, cry me a river. This is the things. Is the same thing. The same best of the same feeders. Ihe mere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ihe Ngozi Orabueze and oge nkere na-eme Mazi Simon Ekpa. Ibi ebe abibi ebe akwa. Kedu ebe nọ mgbe ejidere Mazi Simon Ekpa? What stage have we gotten to? We have gotten to the final stage. Nigeria was crying. The Nigerian army are crying. Na ha na no na asị gị na ya jara Biafra nke a buru portfolio na amali elu nke a buru na amatu ala. Go to your land now on the Nigeria ji ya. But the same Nigeria, we are crying that, oh, you have taken it away. If for Nigeria to make that mistake, to statement, to say that over the Mazi Simon Ekpa, that Nigeria would have been divided. Today, everywhere now relevant. I know as I'm saying it now, they will organize and say, oh, Chief of Army Staff, speak about Ngozi Orabueze. Woohoo! It is on camera that the same army, Nigeria, that we are fighting the BLA, made a video. It is on camera. Go. They have basically deleted all the video. They thought that they were dealing with stupid people. Immediately I analyzed the video, they deleted it. Ndami Nigeria made a video. So I have on the list squad, USB, yes, I buy USB. I have on the list squad. Then the boys, the faces in that same video turns out to be the same faces. Speaking Nahavan Ndami, going after BLA. So practically Ndami made a video. Elite squad. The same Ndami Nigeria made a video, elite squad. The same Ndami Nigeria made a video. na Hana go after BLA. This video was done as supporting USB. On the USB. Nigeria Army are fighting us. Then the next video, how many? Go, we are fighting the BLA. Yes, this and that. One people. If you like. I took time analyzing the DOS. Some of you did knock on a phone a fenante. Some of you say, some of you say, today, the DOS apatana here. We're now going to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal. Now going to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no longer Mazi Simon Ekpa. No longer, the reason why we are fighting, you don't know. Mazi Simon Ekpa wants to take over from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are holding the leadership. The holding of leadership. The same thing from Ogenkere, we are holding leadership to Mazi Simon Ekpa. We are gatekeepers. Otherwise, the foolish idiots. They were telling you that all of a sudden the idiot, the drug pusher and the equal drug pusher. So people are pushing drug, making money. The idiot drunkard in America called Ogenkere. They told them, there was a time I was supporting Ogenkere. I have challenged them. Provide me a minute video of even not support Ogenkere. A minute, just a minute video. A minute, not cut and join, a minute video. You cannot find. Even the CRC, the Biafra Governing Council, can tell you that I constantly reported Ogenkere. When I got a call of falling back, the person who called me, go and ask the person what I was asking. Falling back, nazo Ogenkere, na support Ogenkere, uno gwakwara PM, no Ogenkere ve criminal, uno gwakwara ya, uno gwakwara ne rogu ko, I spoke many things. Many of you should go and ask the man. The man is still alive. He's a spiritualist. He doesn't see anything. He's supporting Ogenkere. Those idiots telling you that should provide 1 minute video. Emma, lies have been sold in this very freedom. So they have now come out in their main self to insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a murderer. Now, one thing that you should go and ask, for you to know those who sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ask, how old was the voice and the command Hassan Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was ordering the kpaying of Mazi innocent people? How old was the voice? Was the order given when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in DSS or before he was kidnapped? If the order was given before he was kidnapped, that means the DOS authentically was among the people that kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and lied about it. I was saying this for every Dick and Harry to see. I guess that Kanu and the Master Prophet, all of you should see what I was telling you people. I was saying this, was masquerading with them. They were luring him until we have him. Those who sold your own blood brother. Those who sold your own blood brother will never love you. They will always disgrace you. And let me tell you, Uchechi's hand is in first hand because few days after K kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Uchechi did an abortion. She confided in her best friend who told me, who called me and told me. She confided in her best friend who told me when I was making expositions. That one was marveled. That one called me and told me, please, I don't want you to mention my name. I don't want you to say this out there. But look, all your exposition is looking like reality. Uchechi is my best friend. We have been friends. Look at what he told me about how she did an abortion. She aborted the baby, telling her best friend that she cannot nurture and bear raising the child alone. Raising the child alone. She went to Radio Biafra and said that in a shock, whereas she did an abortion. All of the information came to my table. Uchechi's hand is in what is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu first hand. Ibru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. Uchechi's direct hand is there. I cannot lie on this very platform. Do you know the reason why I tell you things? I want those things that I tell you for you to go anywhere and then come back and tell me that this is the reality. Uchechi's direct hand is in what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Go and check. As at the time that people were raising eyebrow about this Iken Siruago, it was Uchechi who came out to praise him. No, hardcore, no, don't mind people talking this and that. Uchechi, it is that easy. Should visit the hospital, please. Cover mistake our supreme leader Megoreme by Isonye Hena. Hey, I am a quick cleansing. Arrow, you have arrow. I am a cleansing. Jezebel like aquarium, Jezebel care dendo, Bia Mono. Jezebel Barossa Jedemu Delilah Akaquarem Delilah Karen on the Bia Mono Delilah Barossa Gagamu Keha. All those in the Bible, they shouldn't have died. They should have been alive to see the today. Work well done of modern day Uchelaila. I am Mwashibrobi place, and the truth which I preach here. Elohim, let that truth save me. That's the only thing. I always tell Elohim, the truth which I preach on this very platform, it will only save me. Do you know why? I'm not here to sugarcoat words to you. I'm not here to tell you lies so that you will love me. I'm not here to tell you, deceive you so that you love me. I am here to tell you that truth. No matter how bitter it is, swallow it. Bitter pills cure sicknesses. If you will drink, if you are having sickness, headache, for instance, and you are taking sugar, you can only get all your sugar. All your sugar. You can only get all your sugar. I am Mwashibrobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, all the preaching that I have taken time to preach on this very platform. Is it making sense to you? Yeah, the only thing that I want from you people is to share and hit the like button. Just as they used the DOS to cool what was happening in IPOB, they used them to subside it. That is the reason. That is how they use Ngozi Orabeza and Ogenkere to subside what is happening. Are you people hearing any other thing? They told you BLA are criminal. That's the only thing. One agenda. One agenda. And those of you who wrote your names and given to Ngozi Orabeze, you are in for a bigger shock because those of you if you donated money to Ngozi Orabeze's account, that I have told you people, what is happening to some of you is that some of you do not reason or ask questions. Biafra no na kolabandazo. Some people you are on a platform. Oh, you are calling somebody who have the faith. Declare Biafra in Finland. Oh, BLA said that they will not work with them. Don't you see it? They will not work with them. But the woman, the same woman, told you that she's working with BLA, that you should forget about everything. That she's working with BLA. And Botus is her chief of commander. So you see that BLA said they will not work with you. Is that the reason why you call them criminals and you went on to say that they should pay? Is that what you are telling me? I am Onyebuchimwa Shibrobi. Oh, they should pay you. So if you refuse to work with Mwashiburubina and I said, let your people buy, you will love it. Ihe Chineke ya ekpede. But Mwashiburubi is here. That truth, I will keep on preaching it. In fact, I will even increase the tempo of the truth. Maka nke na-agwụ na adịghị enough. I will increase the tempo so that you understand that Mwashiburubi doesn't buy swears. I speak the truth and stands on the truth. Are you getting it clear? Is anything getting clear to you? Are you understanding the magnanimity of this very program? I am Mwashibrobi, please. So, Patrick Ikem, look at Patrick Ikem's post. But surprisingly, this same Patrick Ikem is the same Patrick Ikem who was mad everywhere, telling you people, oh, we are defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Simon Ekpa wants to hijack the leadership. That the DOS in their wisdom and understanding have understand and identified Mazi Simon Ekpa as a hijacker of the freedom. Now, they have swung to defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all of these mantras. All these lies that they told you, that the DOS we are defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Mazi Simon Ekpa's hijack and all of this. These were all lies told and taken too far. Just to insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at the end of the day. This is Patrick Ikem. He said, no leader should commission people to kill people. Do not take the lives of innocent Biafrans. Enough is enough. Now, the same Patrick Ikem, if you go to Patrick Ikem, his own platform, the same platform, go down and down, you will see him rejoicing that the people that Chena Samwoshi mentioned, we are unalived on Radio Biafra, the same Patrick Ikem. Rejoicing that the people that they mentioned their names are being pied on Radio Biafra. That the Nigerian army pied them. So you now know where they belong. They were hailing Nigerian army after the selling of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every time they will hail Nigerian army, they will say that they posted people, oh, Nigerian army have avenged this and that. And at a time I was asking them, is Nigerian army now your avengers? Because I do not understand. Are they now your avengers? Are you now understanding the reason for those nonsense posts? They sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Kobotoro. And when Kanu was on social media, was jubilating that they captured Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I mean, that they arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I mean, Mazi Simon Ekpa. The DOS were also jubilating that they sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the Nwaboke do not know that they have sold his own brother. Nwaboke did not know that they have sold his own brother. Toro Nanego. Potane ekwu Biafra. Geho people. Netosiru. Nerudu your shoe. No, na bono, kagagagagaga. Ifili na have a mother. This is freedom. Onye gbo ọsọ na nke ikpeazụ eburu egbe ya. This is freedom. Onye ọbụla gbara ọsọ na nke ikpeazụ a ka ya eburu egbe. Freedom will come in an unimaginable way. Do you know why? Elohim Chukwu Okike Abiama is God. And only him will give us the desired freedom, which which nobody born of a woman is going to give you. Nobody. Are you still the OSR wise? Are you still Genkere and Ngozi? Even some people up till now are still telling me, oh, the reason why we don't share your program is because you saw insult Ngozi Arabueze. Unu ejirigo aka unu love one Nigeria. Nigeria ejirigo aka ha create ndị na-emere unu Biafra. Why are you not asking question? Why is it that somebody saying na ya na-achọ freedom abụghị a threat to the country ọ na-achọ freedom from? You must be a threat to the country. You must be doing things that the country will be running around. Ime each of freedom ndị DOS. All this one Nigerianist. Onye chari o. Onye chari. Nwa Shigburobi abịakwa ile mmadụ anya n'ihu. Repent. I told you people. Patrice Ikem, this idiot called Patrice Ikem, NIN Nigeria ka ọ na-register na country ebe ọ nọ. Nigerian NIN, ya nwa bụ onye dị in charge of ime NIN. Working with kezi ihe a na-akpọ Nigerian embassy ka ọ gịnị nwanụ in the country ọ nọ. That is the same person telling you, oh, we want freedom. Mgbe ụmụ governors batabara na-asịzi gị na ha chọrọ freedom. Freedom from who? Ebe mpa gị bụ the person subjugating and suppressing us. Ị bịa na-agwa anyị na ị chọrọ freedom from who? Ị achọgo freedom from your father. Chọọ freedom from your mother. Ha kwụsị na-arafu ụmụ Biafra. Kwụsị na-emebi isi ala Biafra. Then we will now know that you are serious fighting for freedom. Aham kavokwa nwa Shigburobi o. Okwa nwa Shigburobi kambo. The only thing I preach here, for nothing but the undiluted truth, that painful truth. Because of this truth, and when I'm too many enemies, because of this truth, my best friends have left because of the truth. You cannot tell me that you are fighting for freedom and you are not a threat to the country. It's in here. As a judge, you say, the BLA said that they will not work with us after 1 year, 2 years. Most of you are no psychiatric. We marakwa ma brain on. The way Nigeria is a pilot up in pawn your brains these days, I do not understand. Ịpụta ịhụ nwoke ọkwụrụ na-akọ ka ma abụgonu onye agbahere otele gbokọrọ ihe niile nọ n'otele ọkọ bụ ụdịrị akụkọ our men na-akọzi these days. Mana the DOS ihe abụ their final battle. Yesterday it was Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Now, who's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ordered the buying of our people. Or they go to clear. No, how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or they go to clear. But they cannot come out. Many of you will run away from them. So, they were playing their games small. Playing their games first. Who is the threat? Master Simon Ekpa, remove him. Put the people, the two. Oh yeah, but you have to the two. It was also from Ogenkere, Gakurungozo Arabueze. It is still the same Nigerian government agent. Because Nigeria failed to post 2 people after they sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They imposed only the OS. But in Mazi Simon Ekpa, they planned it. They joined Mazi Simon Ekpa as far back as 2022. They planted them. And when they planted them was where they started making mouths that they are getting information. Every meeting that was done, all of them have it. They have the recordings of every meeting from 2022. Ihe Chukwu ya ekpede. Anyị abatagokwe this very freedom. Anyị na-alụkwa ya and we will emerge victoriously. I am telling you, we will emerge victoriously. Those who buy the truth will be regarded as nwa Chineke. Not the nwa Chineke of the DOS, all those criminals. I am Mwashibrobi, please. And the truth will set us free, please. The truth, Ezioku nke Chineke, will set us free. And Ezioku nke Olisa bi n'igwe is where we are. And we will continue that way. Because you know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. I am Mwashibrobi, and from me, from here, from the temple of the grace here, I am begging you, share this my program and hit the like button. Share my programs and hit the like button. Now I will tell you people the reason why you must be sharing this very program. This very program must be reaching people. Those being deceived by the same one Nigerianists. Those being deceived by Ndotu Ngozi Orabueze na Oge Nkere, the same one Nigeria. Those who are being deceived by the DOS. If you are contributing money for Biafra under Ngozi Orabueze, under Oge Nkere, under DOS, all those money are foul. It is going down to Nigerian government. And those people that remain, please, Ajip, Rising Sun, and the rest of them, we need to make a statement. We need to make a statement. Statement that we are talking about is to show that freedom is freedom. The Biafra Governing Council, we need to make a statement to show, because those are the people, the only people remaining not bought. The Biafra Governing Council are not bought. But with that being said, I cannot guarantee you that it is all of them. There are some criminals. There are some criminals. You know, Nigerian government, they are very fast in planting people everywhere. They are very, very fast. So I cannot, but the Biafra Governing Council is the right way. Rising Sun and the Guinea one, they are the right way. The people that are still standing. But we are looking forward for Biafrans. Those who love Biafra to stand up. Not keeping quiet. We need to march. March. That march that we failed to march before. That march that we have been looking forward to march. We need to march. It is the only way to go in this very freedom. We need to march and march into the promised land of Biafra. Because that's the only thing that will guarantee this very freedom that we are into today. I am Mwashibrobi, and from me, from here, from the temple of the grace, it is good evening, please.